Hello, my name is Jared Christensen. I'm a product support specialist with Epiroc. We are going to take a look at the connected battery tool that is through Northvolt. This is going to be a very basic introduction of how to connect it to the battery, and we are going to refer to the instruction manual anytime that we are going to do a software upgrade or any diagnostic work with this tool. When using the Northvolt connected battery tool, there are a few things that we're going to need to have. We need to have a 24-volt power supply. We need to have our diagnostic cable. We need to have a laptop computer and access to a battery, obviously. So when we're setting this up, we need to connect the negative cable on the diagnostic harness. We need to connect the KL30 cable to power, as well as the KL15. It's important to leave the KL15 as a second cable that you install, because in some of the procedures you will end up unplugging that KL15 connector. So when we have that all plugged in, we are going to plug in the other end of the cable to the battery pack itself. The battery pack can communicate to the laptop computer with Wi-Fi, but it's always best to use the Ethernet cable if it is available. So we are going to use the Ethernet cable to connect the battery to our computer. Now we are going to turn on our 24-volt power supply. We're going to set it at approximately 27 volts output and turn on our output, sending power to the battery pack. Now we're going to need to make sure that the main disconnect on the battery pack is turned on. So we're going to watch for the available Ethernet connection. We know that our computer is connected via Ethernet to our battery pack. Now we are going to open up our Core Discovery tool, which has been loaded on our computer. We are going to click the Discover tab to search for available batteries. We have addresses that come up for the 4 sub packs that are inside this battery pack. We can click on any one of these and it will connect us to this battery pack in the Northvolt tool. In order to do a lot of the processes as well as programming, we need to log in as a technician. That will give us more options in our control tabs. So within this online tool, we now have access to look up fault codes, test the battery pack contactors. We can update softwares, as well as get real-time information on what's happening with this battery right now. We can view the current software levels that are installed in each individual pack within the battery. Just keep in mind, it is very important to follow the user's manual when performing any type of software upgrade with this battery pack. For more information on setting up and using the connected battery tool, please contact your local Epiroc dealer or service center.